So I found this beautiful country road with the Panigale V4, but it's making a really weird noise. It's been making this noise the entire trip, and I can't figure out for the life of me what it is. Possibly it might be the fuel pump, but like maybe if I turn off the bike. No, like see, even if I turn off the bike, it's still making the noise. My old one didn't do this, so like this is really kind of strange. It's just like a unique thing to this one. Possibly could be fuel escaping. Let's try opening the gas tank. Oh, that's what it is. It stopped now. I waited like 5 minutes and it's back again. Listen. You guys hear that? Okay, listen. I'm gonna open it again. It's gonna go away. And wait. It's back again. I don't understand.